Well, go on. So I'm just giving an update on RYGIN King, and it's from producer Russian, and he tweeted that RYGIN King is doing good. He got word that he did the surgery and all is well with him, and also a voice note that was leaked on what exactly happened with RYGIN King. So I can take a listen.
Why him get a shot? The shot a flesh wound, but him get a shot and a run, and him run up in a pool. So in him belly, you see me? So that now them a work on. And the manager get 2 shots in him chest, and a girl who did there with them get shot too. I don't know if I'm baby, I don't know. Oh, you see me, I still a wait for the rest I knows. I tell us, Jaja.